Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines.
Just had a vehicle for it. Thanks. He's out right now. Hey man, you all right? There we go. I got it. Oh yeah, that's good. Hey man, wake up. Feeling all right? Hey bud, wake up. Hey. Keep this light in here. It'll be easiest to take him out on the passenger side if we can.
On July 12, 2025, a Hamilton County Sheriff's deputy in Tennessee risked his life diving into a retention pond to rescue a driver who had crashed through a fence and was unresponsive from a suspected overdose. Deputies pulled the man to safety and administered Narcan on scene, ultimately saving his life. All footage in this video is used strictly for documentation, transparency, and public awareness, not for shock or ridicule. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.